First, let us click on the Affinity icon right here. After clicking on the Affinity icon, let us click on the plus button. Now, after clicking on the plus button, we have different presets here. Let us select any one preset. So I'll go with iPad 13 preset and then click on Create Document button to create a new document. Now, as soon as we click on the Create Document button, you can see that a new artboard has been created. So since in this video, I'll be tracing the logo, I'll just switch the studio to Vector Studio from the pixel mode. And now after switching to the Vector Studio, let us open the Finder window where we have our sketch. So I'll just click and drag the sketch inside of the Affinity app. So I'll just click and drag like so and drop it. And now after clicking and dragging and dropping it, you can see that we have the sketch right here. Let me just go ahead and increase the size of the sketch like so. So by the way, we can use the spacebar button or spacebar key in the keyboard in order to switch to the hand tool. And we can just click and reposition our sketch to the center of the artboard like so. Now after repositioning our sketch to the center of the artboard, let us go ahead and lock our sketch. So to lock our sketch, I'll just make sure that the plant logo layer is selected. And then I'll just click on the lock icon right here on the top right corner of the layers panel. So now you can see that the icon of the lock indicates that it has been locked. So we cannot move or do any transformation to this particular plant logo sketch layer now in the artboard one. Now the next thing that we can also do is just select the plant logo layer and then decrease the opacity so that we can get a clear visual of the sketch as well as the vector paths that we will be drawing on top of this sketch. So I'll just set the value to somewhere at 34% for now. And now let us go ahead and select any one of the tool. So I'll start with the pen tool here. So to access the pen tool, I'll just click the shortcut key of P. And now you can see that it has accessed the pen tool. Now let us zoom in and I'll start the speed art process of sketching or vectorizing this particular plant sketch. So this is the final trace that we did for this particular logo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.